Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to get a Rent Please Landlord Sim modded version. So as you can see, I've got tons of money, so I'm going to show you guys how to download it. It's making me do this stupid tutorial right now, but you can see I got all the money. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download it. So let's get straight into the video. So I'm going to show you on my other phone just because I'm not interested in like showing you everything. So go to Zoom Mods and type in rent, and there's the game. Press on it, press install. So at the end, guys, it's gonna have us do this like verification. So I wanted to show that on this phone because I got more storage. But anyway, guys, here's the mod as you can see. So just waiting for this to download. So look at this. So as you can see, it actually works, and I want to show you the money thing. I think that shows up when spent. So that's downloading right now. So before it downloads, you will see something come up telling you that you gotta get missing files. So there's gonna be all these apps, so pick two of them. This one's like reach level 10, so just press on it. It'll bring you to the app store. You download it and then just reach level 10. It's that easy. So I'll see you later, but yeah, so I think the money goes up when spent. Of course, I have to do this whole tutorial, but you can see all the currency I got right there. So yeah, this is the Travel Town app. You don't have to do this one, but this is just one of them, and it's a pretty easy one, so that's why I like it. So yeah, pretty simple. So here's the game though, and yeah, you can see this is super cool. So I do want to show you the money is going up, as you can see when we buy stuff. So as long as I'm buying stuff, you can see I got 5 million now, so this is super cool. 19 million, so that's super cool. So this is wild, bro. So be sure to try it out. I'll see you guys in another video. Just make sure you do 2 of these and you're gonna be all set, bro.